hour-by-hour forecast from the Valley News Live Storm Team.
I hope you had a wonderful weekend, and as we started our day in the FM area, quite a bit of cloudiness, but we have really cleared off nicely. And temperatures, well, they did have a chance to boost into the upper 70s, but we didn't get to those 80s as expected today. Maybe a nice break for you. We still have dew points in the 60s, so it is a little sticky out there. Our wind, well, it's not negligible, blowing from the south at 16 miles per hour. Grand Forks, we have blue skies, 82 your temperature. Winds are gusting to 26 miles per hour, a little breezy in the Northern Valley. Thief River Falls 77, it's 79 in Valley City, and the heat is on for Langdon and Devil's Lake, both above average for this time of the year in the low 80s. And look at the cool pool. You can see here by the yellows a lot of 60s in Lakes Country out toward Wadena, where we've had persistent shower activity over the last several hours. Moving out of Otter Tail County right towards Wadena is a band of heavier showers and some thunderstorms fired up in the Red Lakes area. Those drifting to the north and east, and they're losing a lot of their gusto as they do so. However, this shower that's moving into Warroad right now could have some brief heavy rain and maybe even a couple of bolts of lightning. Now, this is just shower activity, not much thunder or lightning seen with it over the last hour along Highway 10 between New York Mills and just outside of Wadena near Bluffton. That's where those showers are, and those are drifting eastward. So Wadena County's evening off to a wet start, as is the central portion of the Dakotas. Some strong thunderstorm development in the heat of the day. Remember, we showed you the temperature in Dickinson near 90, and that kind of heat is causing some strong thunderstorm development. Here is a look at what's going on regionally. We have showers, thunderstorms, and some hit and miss showers and storms throughout the Rocky Mountain West. As we look off to the east in the Mississippi River Valley and the Ohio River Valley, very strong storms. In fact, an active tornado warning in and around the Indianapolis area right now. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast as we take you through the afternoon. The activity continues through Minnesota out east, but watching the line moving from the central Dakotas as we go toward 10 o'clock, we could see some approaching showers and storms into our late evening hours here across the eastern third of North Dakota and northwest Minnesota. I don't expect widespread severe, but we may get some hail out of a couple of these storms and some brief gusty winds. As we go through the overnight, these will pass from the Red River Valley into western Minnesota, and we'll have a chance at hit and miss showers and storms during the sleeping time as temperatures cool only into the 60s. Remember, dew point temperatures in the 60s. We don't see the air temperature go below the dew point, so it's going to be a night for many of us in the 60s. Starting out your Tuesday morning, we will see those showers exit. We'll still have partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies, and winds will be from the south. And then by midday, we'll see temperatures rising, especially out to the west. I don't think we'll see the near 90-degree readings that we did see out west today, but we will get toasty in the afternoon. Jamestown and our southwestern counties will have the best chance at seeing some mid-80s. We could hit a mid-80 here in the FM area as well. Spotty afternoon thunderstorm development for your Tuesday. So your hour-by-hour forecast, 60s to start. Winds will be south and westerly throughout the day, and it'll be fairly light, 5 to 15 miles per hour. We cannot rule out an isolated thunder shower, although I don't think they'll be widespread. Chances will be out in Lakes Country for some thunder shower activity in your afternoon and evening forecast. Temperatures near 80, but we warm things up into the low to mid 80s in the eastern third of North Dakota. Gorgeous photo uploaded by Mike S. Otter Tail County. Beautiful weather to soak your toes in the sand, but here's something I want you to pay attention to. As we go through midweek, it looks quiet and warm. Thursday is a day of transition. Strong, maybe even severe thunderstorms will be possible as we go into Friday morning. And then look at morning temperatures, 40s and 50s, highs only in the 60s and low 70s for a refreshing slap of cool air.
Yeah. But, you know, it'd be great if it bounced back up, too. It's not
summer
bad.
is not completely over.
Thank goodness. Okay.
A refreshing break, we may call it.
Thank you.
You
Thank
bet.
you.